It was a real honor, Salvador, my son. They invited me to do the national anthem of the Giants World Series if they win. And, I said, "Oh, wonderful," but they'll only let me do it if you play with me. So I said, "I never do this, but for you, I'm going to do it." "Thanks, Dad." So when we arrive at the house to arrange the song, he says, "This is how I'd like to do it, son, if it's okay with you. I'm going to do..." Actually, we're going to do it like this. Then you. B. No, like that. It's okay. We balance it. I play half and he play half. And so I feel really grateful. He says, "Okay," because I was able to cut the cake in half. I play half and he played half. What I remember about it, though, there was a really big explosion at the very end. And when we did it like that, I think that's what people remember. People remember energy. Bring the energy. And so I really thank you for listening. I'm very grateful that I had the opportunity to go nation to nation. And the energy changed for the Neon Giants and for myself in that moment. They were kind of like, they had a moment like this. So it's about energy. And right now, for you, for me, for everybody, believe, use your faith, your trust, your convictions. You can move energy worldwide. You can change the world's foundation. You can make a difference in the world. Oh, before I leave, I invite you to, Jerry and Diane, we talk about this all the time. We invite you to make every day the best day of your life. It's your choice. You're not a victim, other than for yourself. Don't blame anybody else. Please, if you want to, know that you can make every day the best day of your life. Thank you so much.